The past tense is very easily formed in Taiwanese. We have already met it in sentences such as
伊來台中
He came to Tâi⁷-tiong. Note, here the context will tell us the tense.
你去佗位
Where did you go?
無我無去佗
I didn't go anywhere. Note, it is better formed to use bo here, though it is not translated.
我去咱先生遐
I went over to Mr.Chan's. Another common form of the past tense is the use of the auxiliary verb ū before the main verb.
伊有去
He did go. A time element can indicate past tense.
昨昏你食啥物
What did you eat yesterday?
昨昏伊在讀冊
He was studying yesterday. The past tense and difference in emphasis.
昨昏你有去高雄無
Did you go to khì² yesterday? Here the emphasis is on khì. In English the emphasis is on did go. I know you intended to go, but I don't know whether you ever left the house.
昨昏你去高雄是無昨昏你是去高雄是無
Is it to khì² that you went yesterday? You went to khì² yesterday? Here the stress is on khì². I saw you taking the train, but I'm not sure where you went. In B, note the use of si to add extra emphasis to khì². Use of ū with ho and a with pine. ū is used with ho, a desirable quality, to mean to be good. The negative is bo.
這有好啉無
Does this drink taste good?
有真好啉
Yes, it tastes good. Note that gene is very commonly used to modify a modifier. We need not translate it as a very.
無好啉
No, it doesn't taste good.
你的筆有好寫無
Is your pen a good one?
有我的筆真好寫
Yes, my pen is a good one.
無我的筆無好寫
No, my pen is not good.
伊的鐵馬有好騎無
Is his bike a good one?
有伊的鐵馬真好騎
Yes, his bike is a good one.
無伊的鐵馬無好騎
No, his bike is not a good one. A is used with pine, an undesirable quality, to mean to be bad. The negative is bei. In asking a question with a, the interrogative particle is the enclitic bei, which has the same meaning, function and position in a sentence as the enclitic bo, or not.
謝先生的鐵馬歹騎袂
Is Mr. Shaw's bicycle a poor one?
真歹騎
It is, it's hard to ride. Note that Gene pine kia is used in preference to a pine kia.
袂歹騎
No, it's not bad riding.
這會歹食袂
Does this taste bad?
迄真歹食
Yes, it tastes bad.
袂，迄袂歹食。
No, it doesn't taste bad.
你的笔会歹寫袂？
Is your pen lousy to write with?
会，我的筆真歹寫。
Yes, my pen is a poor one.
袂，我的筆袂歹寫。
No, my pen is not bad.